Hello? No, that's not working. Hang on. Well, that's not a good enough angle now, is it? Hang on a minute. Let's just... Well, that's just failed as well. Let's try this again. Right, here we go. Is that better? Stuck with my ugly face instead of Henry's or Dave's, but yes. 2023 is pretty much at an end now, so I suppose we roll credits? Transition!
Ladies and gentlemen, may I direct your attention to something quite extraordinary.
Sorry to interrupt your video there. We never actually released any of the footage from wrapfest. It was very busy 2 days with Henry on the stand. However, now is the moment. Enjoy.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Right, so September's hit and it's new car month. Yeah, there is quite a gap between September's content all the way till mid/late November, so we're just going to skip forward a bit. And that's it. There's still jobs getting done in December. If you keep an eye out on all of our socials, you'll see some of the cars throughout the year that we've worked on. Sadly, we didn't get half as much footage this year as we would have loved to have, but there's just been a massive increase in workload. So yeah, well, that's it from us this year. Rather good year, a lot of good memories. We'd like to send a huge thanks to Spandex, who invited us to wrapfest and who took Dave and Henry to Las Vegas for SEMA. And thank you to you, people watching us on YouTube, all 20 of you. Thank you, and have a great Christmas, and we'll see you next year.